In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical videos in Card. If you're sharing Reels, Shorts, or TikToks on your site, this will make them display tall and crisp in the familiar 9:16 format. Start by heading to card.co in your browser and opening your dashboard. Once you're in, choose the project you want to edit. That will open the Card Builder where you can add and arrange elements on your page. Inside the builder, look for the Add button and click it to insert something new. From the list of elements, choose Video. A settings panel will appear on the left. Here, pick the type that works best for you. Upload if you want to add a video file from your computer, or embed if you want to use a link. Upload is great for small, optimized files you control. Embed is ideal if your video already lives on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo, or if you have a direct link to a hosted MP4. If you chose embed, paste the video URL into the field provided. Make sure the source video is actually vertical. That means it should be 916, like 1080 by 1920 pixels. This ensures it looks sharp and fills the frame correctly. Next, set a thumbnail. You can let Card pull one automatically, or upload your own custom image for more control over branding and first impressions. For a quick setup, select Auto and Card will grab a frame for you. If you prefer a specific cover image later, you can swap it to a custom thumbnail at any time. Now switch over to the Appearance tab in the same panel. Find the aspect ratio setting and change it to 9:16. This tells Card to treat the video as vertical so it appears tall instead of wide. If your source video isn't vertical, you may see letterboxing or cropping depending on how the video provider handles it. So for best results, start with a true vertical file or upload. When everything looks right, click Done to confirm and place the video on your page. From here, you can continue arranging your layout as usual. If you notice any loading delays, consider compressing your video or using an embed so the hosting platform handles bandwidth. Some advanced options and larger uploads may require a paid Card plan, so check your account limits if anything is unavailable. And that's it. You've added a vertical video, set an appropriate thumbnail, and locked in a 9:16 aspect ratio so it displays perfectly in Card.